All right, on to reabsorption. We're going to start with the proximal convoluted tubule. Just want to remind you of the transporters. I didn't feel like this was the main thing that I should study. I did memorize all the transporters and it helped me understand what was happening at each point. I would suggest that. But I want to remind you of the transporters and then really help you focus on the things that I think would be important to study. So remember that we have a sodium glucose transporter in the proximal convoluted tubule. We reabsorb our glucose. We also reabsorb our lactate and amino acids. You should know that 100% of glucose, lactate, and amino acids are reabsorbed in the proximal convoluted tubule. We should not see any of those past this point. You should know that we have a hydrogen pump here. Our bicarb is going back into the blood. We have a sodium-potassium pump to maintain our concentration gradients. You should know that in the proximal convoluted tubule, we reabsorb 67% of our water and 67% of our sodium. So we don't change the concentration, which is 300 milliosmolars. You should know that. And it stays the same throughout the whole tubule because we reabsorb the same amount of water that we do sodium, and it doesn't change that gradient. You should also know that we reabsorb 85% of our bicarb. Those are the key points that I would really focus on. Know the transporters. You should know what is reabsorbed in the proximal convoluted tubule, but don't freak yourself out on knowing all the names and everything about the transporters. I would know percentages of things that are reabsorbed and the gradients that go along with it.